What's up, guys? It's Dave here. Today we're going to talk about this drop in the crypto market across the board. Are we panic selling? Are we panic buying? Whose fault is this anyways? Was it Elon's fault? It was Elon, wasn't it? Let's look at Elon's tweet and see. Elon tweets that Tesla suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin at 6:06 p.m. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin then at 6:06 p.m. So right at 6:06 p.m., you could see the initial drop, and here's the first 15 minutes. And I think back to yesterday with Dogecoin. He tweets about Dogecoin. It goes up 20% in a 15-minute time span. But now he tweets about Bitcoin, and the reaction's a lot slower. And what I think's happening, I think the market was a bit due for a correction as well. We've had this, here's the total market cap of all altcoins. We'll exclude Bitcoin. Look at this last month, up and to the right. At some point, you have to have some kind of shakeout, some kind of correction. We look at the April 17th peak down to the bottom about a week later. That was a 24% drop. And once we hit the bottom, then we had a 74% gain all the way up into the top. So maybe we're overdue for a little bit of a correction, and it needed a catalyst. And I guess we have our catalyst. If we look at all the coins, they kind of trade together. We'll exclude Bitcoin a little bit. It kind of has the same peaks. But if we look at Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum Classic on the same 3-month time scale, we've all got the same peaks. April 17th, roughly May 6th. Dogecoin, April 17th, May 6th. Litecoin, April 17th, May 6th. So they're all trading together, and I guess that's how that normally goes anyways. In terms of position, something I'm thinking about, I'm considering Litecoin. If Litecoin's more stable than a lot of the other coins. It still trades like an altcoin, unlike Bitcoin, which has just kind of been flat for a while. So I'm thinking if Litecoin gets down into the 270s area, it could be an interesting play on the overall altcoin market. I do already have a position in Litecoin, so I might be adding to it, but we'll see how it plays out. In terms of Dogecoin, one we follow very closely, we dropped below the 40-cent support line. And that was brief. Let's look at it on, this is a 4-hour, let's look at it on a 15-minute chart. It was below for 30 to 45 minutes, but then it hopped back up. Someone bought the dip and potentially got a very good deal. And now we're sitting around 42 cents. So how do I feel about Dogecoin? I'm still holding on to my position. It's above the 40-cent support, which is good. That's where I want it to be. But I'm also wondering what's going to happen in the next few days if the market drops. If the market drops and Dogecoin's following along with the market, it would make sense that it would drop with it. At the same time, it's so important that it stays above this 40-cent support. At least I feel that way. I feel like it's really got to stay above that 40-cent support line. And while it's above that, it has a lot of upside that's still in play. So that's something that we're watching closely, and we're going to see how it plays out over the next few days. For now, we're just watching, sitting back. We're going to see if there's any deals in the future to come about if the market drops anymore. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.